Hello, MPS. It's your girl, Renise Washington, aka Wellness Queen. This week, I'm just doing a little check-in to make sure that you are well aware of what our EAP, that's Employee Assistance Program, offers. We have SpringHealth, which means if you have any mental health needs or concerns, we've got you. From Wellsprings conversations, webinars, and now Sage, we've kind of got it all. So let's check it out. So, if you're unsure which SpringHealth service you would like to use, let's think about the amount of time you have available. If you have less than an hour, then the Wellsprings conversations might be something you're interested in. The great thing about Wellsprings conversations is that they have a variety of topics throughout the month with a variety of times, but also it creates a community perspective in which you are in a discussion with a licensed clinician, but also other people who are participating in the conversation, which may be your co-workers or someone halfway across the world. But the Wellsprings conversations allow for community discussion and insight to happen. So if you have less than an hour, that might be something you might be interested in. So we've gone over some of our options if you have a little bit more than an hour. But for those of us who may not have a full hour, maybe not even 30, but maybe 15 to 20 minutes, this is where Sage, SpringHealth's new self-paced courses, comes in handy. So let's say that there is a particular topic or subject you are interested in. All you have to do is go to springhealth.com, look up Sage, and you can just kind of dilly-dally do the various courses that they offer. It's self-paced, which means that you don't necessarily have to go to the schedule of anyone else. You can pause, you can rewind, you can fast forward, baby. You've got the power. And with that being said, you have access to many skills that you'd like to learn. All these courses are created by clinicians for people. So make sure that you go ahead and look at what your options are when it comes to SpringHealth. So let's review. We've got Wellsprings, webinars, coaching, therapy, medication management, Sage self-paced courses. SpringHealth really is a smorgasbord of opportunity for those of us who just need a little bit of mental health support. So don't be shy, go ahead and check it out. And if you have any questions, I'm more than happy to support. As always, it's been a pleasure. Wellness Queen.